In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to promote Digistore24 products on YouTube. Now, I think this could be a very powerful way to make money with Digistore24, so make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to get started step-by-step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so I believe YouTube is one of the most powerful ways to make money online because video marketing is much more engaging than just blogging or even social media. If you do it correctly, if you find what the customer's problems and pain points are, you can make very good money in a relatively short amount of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get started step by step. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pick a product over on Digistore24. Now, as you know, there are hundreds of products over here, so we're just going to pick one, but this can work for any product over there. What we can do is, if you look at my screen here, the first one is the Another Killer Fat Loss Masterpiece Geared Towards Women. That apparently is the name of the product, and it tells us everything that we want to know. This is a weight loss product, it's killer, and it's for women. So we're going to go out and we're going to look for different ways to promote this product and make money. As you can see, you can earn $108 by promoting this product, and it could be a good opportunity. So let's go ahead and talk about it. What we're going to do is obviously we'd want to click this promote button and get our affiliate link. But before that, we want to figure out how to promote this product. And as I mentioned, it's a fat loss masterpiece geared towards women. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to YouTube. We're going to look for different problems women have with weight loss. So what we can do is we can type in how to lose weight for women. As you can see here, how to lose weight for women over 50. That could be a good opportunity. If we hit the space bar, you can see people are asking questions about women weight loss over 50. We could just type in weight loss for women, and then you can see there's opportunity. Weight loss for women over 50, 40, at home, 30, 60. What we can do is we can hit the space bar, and you can see there's more opportunity if you wanted to. What we're going to do is I just want to jump over. I'm going to show you this triangle, this funnel that really illustrates where people are and how you can potentially start making money. All right, so here we go. We're just going to draw this quick funnel just to illustrate exactly where your customers are and how to find them. At the very top here, we have women, because that's who our audience is targeting. They don't have a care in the world. They are happy as a clam, as they say, and then something happens where they're no longer happy. And maybe they go to the doctor, maybe they look in the mirror and they're not happy with what they see, and they realize that the problem is they want to lose weight. And so most people assume that the money is right here at the bottom of the funnel, but in reality, the money is at every level if you do it correctly. And what we're going to do in order to do it correctly is we are going to teach them something. For example, up here, people are asking, how do I lose weight? How do I lose weight as a woman? How do I lose weight as a female? What are some of the best ways to lose weight? And here we could create a top 10 list. For example, 5 ways to lose weight as a woman over 60, or 5 ways to lose weight if you're 60 and older. Then we can actually create a review video or a comparison video. If we jump back over here, we can see this. We could compare this product to the product below it. If we copy this and we go over to YouTube, we can see if people are actually searching this. So we're just going to paste this in and we're going to hit enter, and we are going to see if people, as you can see, people are creating content, and it looks like there are a few searches for it, not a ton. So maybe this isn't the best opportunity right now, but as it gains popularity, it could be something that you do later on in the future. What you could do is you could compare to other products that might offer something similar. Then we could do a review video right here like that. And if you create content at each of these levels, you can make money. For example, if we go to, I think I did this before, we'll go how to lose weight as a woman or female. Let's see, how to lose weight as a woman in her 30s. We hit that. And as you can see, people are creating tons of content in this space. And what you can do is, if you're not really sure which way to go from here, just click on this person's profile or this YouTube channel. We just got to pause this real quick and go through and look at the videos that they've created. Now, Do not create the exact same videos that they're doing. You want to look at this for ideas and inspirations. Another thing you can do is you can go over to a website like answerthepublic.com. And answerthepublic.com is going to give you some ideas if you type in a niche. For example, weight loss for women. It's going to come back with a bunch of questions that people are asking on the internet on how to lose weight. Well, another thing we can do is we can use a keyword research tool like Ahrefs. Now you can get started with this tool for $7 for 7 days. And what you can do is just go over to the keywords here, and we could type in weight loss for women. Hit enter. And if we go down to the matching terms here, you're going to see that people are asking this question. There's 30,000 monthly viewers. There's 4,000 keywords. So people are asking this question, the same question in multiple ways. What best weight loss pill for women? That's right up our alley. If we look at our product here, this is a pill. You could actually create 10 best weight loss pills for women. If I copy this right here, you can see people are asking this question. In fact, they might even be asking it over on YouTube. If we type that in, 5 best weight loss pills in 2021, 98,000 views. That should tell you right there everything that you need to know. The one below it, best weight loss pills in 2020, 142,000 views. Again, you could come right over here, and what I would recommend that you do if you're targeting women, I would get an Ahrefs $7 trial. I would type in your keyword or keyword phrase. I would download the first 1,000 and then close the account if you can't afford it. It's only $7. But if you can see here, weight loss for women over 40. We can copy this just like that. Go back over to YouTube, paste that in. And the beauty of YouTube is that if you make good enough videos, your videos can rank both on Google and YouTube. But you can see here, how to lose weight over 40 for women. Weight loss for women over 40. This is exactly what people are doing all day, every day, and they're making money. It's really easy. The hardest part really is going to be making quality content. And to make good content, you need to look and see what other people are doing. What I'd recommend is that you watch some of the videos that are already ranking and try and make videos that are better than those. So add in a different feature, maybe add in some B-roll, change the camera angle and the camera view so that you are giving different perspectives. Maybe tell them why other people are wrong. And if you do this consistently enough, you can start getting leads and sales. Now, the cool thing with YouTube also is that you can add affiliate links right in the description of your videos. And what I'd recommend that you do is you send people over to a landing page to collect their email address, or send them over to a blog post to help boost your blog or website. But you could send them directly over to the affiliate offer. If you are going to send them directly over to an affiliate offer, I recommend that you at least mask your affiliate link. And you can do that by going over to bit.ly.com, bit.ly, hit enter. You're going to take your affiliate link and you're going to put it here, and you're going to click on shorten, and it's going to shorten it just like you see here. And you're going to copy this and then put it in the description of your videos. Now, there are a number of ways to create these videos. 1, you could do a screen share. 2, you could actually record with your phone. You could use something like this piece of equipment right here, and you can record right on your phone. You want to make sure that your audio is as good as possible. As you can see, hopefully you can see this, I'm actually in a position to record a YouTube video right from my phone. Another thing you could do is you could do a screen share. You can also use a website like openshot.org to compile images for you. You can use openshot.org in conjunction with a website like Pexels and download videos from here for free. Let's see, we'll type in weight loss. Let's type in women. Women over 40 is our target audience. So we're looking for women that are over 40. They have over 118,000 videos, and you want to find videos that are going to be relevant to your topic. The cool thing is once you find a video, let's use this one, we are going to download it to our computer, and it'll pop up in just a second, but you can add this right into your video as B-roll. Let's see here. It looks like that didn't work. Okay. Let's see if we can find a different one. For whatever reason, that one didn't work. Let's click on that one again. And we're going to go to, let's do HD. Do that one. Oops, there was an unexpected error. Let's go back here. Maybe they're having issues with their website. So I'm just going to type in, let's see, we got women over 40. Let's try this one right here. It works. Okay, it looks like there might be an error with their website because I just tried downloading 2 of them and they both come back with not expected. But let me show you the one that I just downloaded for my last video. This video is the video that I got from Pexels, and if I hit play here, you can see this is something that you can, this is B-roll that you could add right to the video. You could create an outline using a software called Conversion AI. So we're going to go to Conversion AI. We're going to go to Conversion AI. And this is a paid tool, and you could use this just to create blog post outlines, and then you fill it in. Another option, if you have no idea what to talk about, is you could jump over to Google and paste in their topic. Now, again, it's important that you do not just steal someone else's content. You want to make original, unique content. You're just using these websites for inspiration. For example, you could create a top 10 list. So it says start weight training. You could keep a journal. These are all probably generic ideas, but you want to make sure that you're putting this into your own words. And if you go over to Conversion AI, you can click on blog post outline, and you can type in, we're going to paste in weight loss for women over 40, and it's going to give us an outline that we could actually use for a YouTube video. There's also a YouTube channel outline or YouTube video outline, but they basically work the same. The first step to weight loss is to get rid of the junk food in your house, replace sugar-laden drinks with water and tea. So you could use this and then just fill in the gaps to make sure that you have a 6 to 10 minute video. You find a product over on Digistore24. You figure out what solution this product is for a problem. You reverse engineer, you figure out what the problem is, you look at YouTube channels that are offering something in a similar fashion, you make better content, and you can make better content with using your phone. You can use Canva for slideshows, I lost it, or you can use something like openshot.org, which is free, and it works for both Windows, Mac, and even Linux. You create content. You can also use a website like Pexels for B-roll when it's working, and you just put it all together. And as long as you're consistent, you can start finding traction. Now, it's important that you put a link to the program that you're recommending or product that you're recommending, or link to a landing page, which I recommend to collect the email address, or even a blog post. So now that you know how to promote Digistore24 products over on YouTube, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.